It's an umbrella dance. It's a rainy, cloudy day. But we dancing under an umbrella, yeah. Laughing a storm away. Me and my beautiful Bella. Come on, the sky is looking great. But we ain't stressed. We swinging and swagging, counting our blessings. Turn the clouds and days into a dream scene. Rain dripping, falling, tapping on the ground. But you are in my arm, girl, we are spinning it all around. It's an umbrella dance, umbrella, umbrella. Mud on the street, but the magic in the air. Smiling so bright, girl, who even care? She's got soak, clothes getting wet, but the rhythm in my chest ain't slipping in yet. No sun out, baby, that's okay. 'Cause we making our own light today. I'm telling ya. Rain on my hands, puddle at our feet, but we two-step into a brand new beat. Umbrella. Laughing a storm away. Me and my beautiful Bella. Come on, the sky is looking great. But we ain't stressed. We swinging and swagging, counting our blessings. It's a rainy, cloudy day, but we dancing under my umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. It's an umbrella. Rain dripping, falling, tapping on the ground. But you are in my arms, girl, we are spinning it all around. Umbrella, mud on the street, but the magic in the air. Smiling so bright, girl, who even care? Shoes got soak, clothes getting wet, but the rhythm in my chest ain't slipping in yet. No sun out, baby, that's okay. Rain can't stop what it meant to be. Umbrella, rain on my hands, puddle at our feet, but the two-step, well, I can't change this melody, girl. You and me, and that's a destiny. I'm telling you, baby. It's a rainy, cloudy day, but we're dancing under my umbrella, letting the storm away. Me and my beautiful Bella. No matter what the storm may go, we keep it moving. We keep it playing in a rainy, cloudy day, but we're dancing under my umbrella, yeah.
Have you ever noticed how love sometimes finds you in the most unexpected places? Like, say, right in the middle of a rainstorm, when everyone else is running for cover and you're left standing there with your heart wide open. That's exactly what happened to me. The sky was pouring down, umbrellas popping open everywhere like little bursts of colour against the grey. There I was, gold jacket sparkling, umbrella in hand, tapping my foot to a beat only I could feel. Then I saw her across the street, laughing as she fought the wind and her bags, her hair wild and rain-soaked, her smile brighter than any city light. I didn't even think about it. I just crossed over, tilted my umbrella her way and grinned. It's a rainy, cloudy day, but we can dance under my umbrella. She laughed, a sound sweeter than any song, and took my hand. Under that umbrella, the world shrank down to just us. The city lights blurred into watercolor streaks, and the rain became our secret melody. We danced right there in the rain, skipping around puddles, spinning and twirling like we'd done this 1,000 times before. People stopped and watched, some even clapped along, but in that moment it felt like we were the only two people in the city. The rain faded to a gentle mist, but the spark between us only grew. We found a quiet corner, the city humming softly around us, and huddled close beneath our shared umbrella. There, with the rain drumming softly above, we whispered secrets, childhood dreams, silly fears, the stories we'd never told anyone else. We laughed about muddy shoes and rain-soaked adventures from when we were kids, promising to always find the fun, even in the stormiest weather. And just like that, love bloomed in the rain, fragile and fierce all at once. A week later, clouds rolled back in, nature's encore, the city shimmering with reflections and hope. I messaged her, rain check or rain dance. She replied instantly, rain dance. We met again, umbrellas in hand. But now they were about more than just staying dry. They were our shelter, our little world, our promise. We held the umbrella together, fingers intertwined, vowing to always search for joy in every storm. We collided under a shared canopy, laughing and spinning as the city cheered us on, our laughter echoing through the rain-slicked streets. As the rain softened, I dropped to one knee and said, let's keep dancing through every storm, every sunrise, every day and every drop. Let's promise to always find the light, even when the sky is grey. She nodded, happy tears blending with raindrops, her eyes shining with hope and love. Together we danced into the horizon, rain above, sunshine in our hearts, and a promise to always weather the storms together. If you believe real love always dances through the storms, go ahead, comment and share. Because sometimes all it takes is one umbrella, a little courage, and two open hearts to find joy, no matter the weather. Love, after all, is resilient.
Raindrops be falling on my head. We just keep it on and doing the rain.